Kia ora, good morning, happy Tuesday. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. And yeah, actually no and. That's it. I might have had something. I can't think what it was. Right, so the overnight session. Yesterday we suggested that a lack of exciting scheduled data should ensure a pretty quiet start to the trading week. And we were correct. It's always nice when it happens. Broadly correct anyway. US and European equity markets, basically flat, like a little more than a rounding error away from being a pancake flat. Looking a little closer though at the US, specifically the S&P 500, that index hit an all-time high on Friday, so even a flat result is still something of a positive, maintaining altitude. Commodities, oil lost a bit of ground. Barrel of Brent is currently going for a little more than $62. It's not really news though, because it's been around about that level for most of November, just a bit of movement. Currencies, the pound made modest gains overnight, which probably means the Brexit sentiment pendulum has swung to the positive side. The US dollar, that dipped a smidge, but it was a marginal move, and everything else, including the New Zealand dollar, basically did nothing. Yeah, the range for the Kiwi since we opened yesterday morning, 22 points. That is not very much, and if you lop off the fleeting extremes, it's about 15 points, really. Something that was interesting last night, or earlier this morning rather, President Trump and Fed Chairperson Jerome Powell, they had a face-to-face at the White House. They kept that one very quiet going in. Apparently it was all very cordial, at least according to Twitter. So it was interesting, but no real market reaction. As for excitement looming, I'm certainly excited about the launch of Disney+. So much Star Wars. It's going to be awesome. On the markets front, though, yeah, we look set to continue just drifting along, really waiting for the next big thing, or even just the next thing, which will probably be some sort of US-China headline. Data-wise today, we have meeting minutes from the Reserve Bank of Australia this afternoon, and a global dairy trade auction tonight, so there is some potential there to maybe push the Kiwi beyond that 22-point range, maybe? Yeah. That's about it, I think, for Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. Kia pai tō rā.